Welcome to the wildest ride in the universe. Right now, 86 billion neurons inside your skull are buzzing like a galaxy to decode this video. But what if you've been using this mind-blowing supercomputer with the wrong remote control all along? Buckle up, we're about to crack your brain's matrix and unleash secrets that'll make you say wow. Chapter 1. Your brain isn't Google, it's a time-bending wave portal. Your brain isn't some boring search engine. It's a sci-fi wave generator straight out of a blockbuster. Alpha, beta, theta, these are the secret superpower frequencies of your mind. So, how do you fire them up? Theta waves. This wave kicks in as you drift off to sleep or hit a deep zen moment. It's your creativity spaceship. After this video, lie down, close your eyes, and replay what you've learned like a movie scene. Your brain will etch it into eternity like stardust. Theta waves. For short, laser-sharp focus. Try the 5-5-5 cosmic rule. Work like a maniac for 5 minutes. Breathe in the universe for 5 seconds, then shut your eyes for 5 seconds to freeze time. Ready? Grab your lightsaber, let's roll. Chapter 2. Digital alien thieves stealing your attention. Learning something new takes 20 minutes, but stealing your focus, just 0.3 seconds with a single notification. Phones, social media, these are the lightspeed bandits of the 21st century. Here is how to steal your attention back. Switch your phone to black hole mode. Turn the screen grayscale. Colors blast dopamine rockets into your brain, but a gray universe whispers, chill, this isn't urgent. Galaxy Guardian trick. Wear blue light filter glasses while working. Your brain will scream, it's go time to save the universe. Bonus. You'll feel like a superhero straight out of a comic book. Chapter 3. Don't fight for getting hacked into your magical lie. Your brain isn't a dumpster. It's a stardust sifting machine. Time Vortex reviews. 0.20 minutes later. Do a 2-minute lightning fast recap. Catch the info before it slips into your brain's black hole. 24 hours later. Explain it to someone even if you mess up. Your brain will swoop in like a superhero to fix it and lock it in tight. 7 days later. Revisit it on a different planet, under a tree, in a cosmic cafe, or beneath the stars. Your brain will shout, this is epic, I'm keeping it. Chapter 4. Cosmic contacts coding for your alien brain. NASA astronauts forgot stuff they learned in space once they got back to Earth. Why? Because your brain's a time traveler, it records the environment too. Here's how to turn that into a superpower. Quantum mass technique. Work in different galaxies. The library, a cafe, your balcony. Chew a unique universe-flavored gum in each spot. Mint for math's portal, cinnamon for history's time machine. Sniff that flavor later, and your brain will yell, boom, I remember. Finale, your brain's red pill portal. It's decision time. Take the blue pill and crawl back to your old, dusty, yawn-worthy learning habits. Or grab the red pill and awaken your brain's galactic potential. From the second you watch this video, your brain will never be the same boring machine again. Drop red pill in the comments and share how you shocked the universe a day from now. May your new neurons shine like a supernova. Ready to say wow?